students, today I am here with a new lesson of grammar, verbs. This lesson belongs to the lesson number 2 in your canopy book, The Wonders in Water. Right? You can see in page number 12, this grammar part is given and we have to study about verbs. Now let me explain what is verb. Verb is an action word. Let me write here. Verb is an action word. What do you mean by action word? Action word are also called doing words. Doing words. Doing word means do means करना. जब हम किसी काम को करते हैं तो वो doing word कहलाते हैं. जैसे किसी काम को करना. Like example like go, play, eat, sleep, laugh, etc. These all are action words. They are doing words. So, what did you understand by here? Verb is an action word or doing word. These are doing word, or we can say action word, or we can say these are verbs also. Right? Now, see children, what we are going to read in this. Let me write the definition, the correct definition. Definition is verb is an action word it tells what does it take? It tells what the subject does or is. What I have written the definition of verb. Verb is an action word. Action word तो आपने समझ लिया. Action word, doing word, examples also I have shown here. So verb is an action word. It tells what the subject does or is. Now again there is a new word for you, subject. Subject means what? Your Hindi, Math, English? No. The meaning of this subject in grammar is something else. Now let me tell you what is subject. It is very important point. Subject. What is subject? The person, animal or thing. The person, animal or thing we speak about. We speak about. मतलब जिनके बारे में हम बात करते हैं. The person, animal or thing we speak about in a sentence. In a sentence. हम लोग किसी भी सेंटेंस में जब जिसके बारे में हम लोग उस सेंटेंस में बात कर रहे हैं, we are speaking about that is subject. What is that? Subject. You will understand by some examples. See, let me change the name. Rohan goes to the market. Now children, can you tell me what is subject in this line? So what you will see, what I have written about subject, the person, animal or thing. Now what is here? Person है या animal है या thing है जिसके बारे में हम लोग इस sentence में बात कर रहे हैं. This is a person. Rohan is a person. So this person, we are talking about this person. So this is subject. This is subject. Okay. The person, animal or thing we speak about in a sentence. इस sentence में हम लोग रोहन के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. So Rohan is a subject. One more example. Seema loves to eat ice cream. Now tell me about whom we are talking in this line. What is the subject in this line? We are talking about Seema. हम लोग इस सेंटेंस में सीमा के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. So Seema is the subject. Seema is the subject. Now come to the definition. Because you have understood what is subject. Now let's come to the definition again. Verb is an action word. It tells what the subject does or is. मतलब इस लाइन का मतलब हुआ कि subject, जिस सेंटेंस में subject अगर कोई भी काम को करता है, जिस काम को करता है या subject कुछ अगर है, तो that word is verb. Did you understand? Now let's find the verb in the same sentence. Rohan तो subject है. Now what verb Rohan is doing here? Rohan के लिए यहाँ action word कौन सा use किया गया है? What doing word we have used for Rohan? Rohan goes. The verb that Rohan is doing is goes. Goes मतलब जाना. So this is the verb. Rohan is subject and goes is verb. Now Seema is subject. Now which verb Seema is doing? What action word is used for the subject Seema? The action word is loves. So this is also a verb. Now I think by these two examples you understood this definition. Once again I am repeating. Verb is an action word. Action word है. It tells what the subject does or is. ये बताता है कि subject क्या कर रहा है. Now एक is का example लेते हैं. The boy is very intelligent. The boy is very intelligent. Now what is the subject about whom we are talking in this sentence? We are talking about the boy. So the boy is subject. इस definition में ये भी बोल रहा है कि subject क्या करता है और क्या है. What the subject is? The subject is very intelligent. So this is also a verb. This is also a verb. अब इसके बाद हम लोग पढ़ेंगे. Now you will have one question. Then what is the difference between this verb and this verb? Right? ये दोनों verb में क्या difference है? तो अभी मैं आगे आपको बताऊंगी क्या difference है. Okay? So now children, I will define you what is the difference between the two verbs which we have seen in the previous example. Now let me give some more examples. It's not working. The dog is a faithful animal. Right? Boys are playing in the field. One more example. My mother delicious food. Now let's underline the verb. First subject को underline करेंगे, then verb को underline करेंगे. Okay? Subject एक बार फिर से मैं बता दूँ. Subject means the person or animal or thing we speak about in a sentence. उस sentence में जिसके बारे में हम लोग बात करते हैं, जिसके बारे में बताते हैं, that is subject. और जो subject जो verb करता है, जो action करता है, that is verb. So let's find the subject first. In this, the subject is the dog, right? We are talking about the dog in this sentence. Now, in this sentence about whom we are talking about boys. So boys is subject. Now in this subject about whom we are talking about my mother. So my mother is also subject. Now let's find the verb in this. What the dog is doing? Here the dog is not doing anything. Here what the dog is. The dog is a faithful animal. So is a verb. Here are playing. Both are verb. Here cooks. मम्मी यहाँ पे क्या काम कर रही है? What work the mother is doing? The mother is cooking. The mother cooks delicious food. So this cooks is an action word and this is a verb. Now here one more point, children. We will note down that verb can be more than one word. You can write it in a note. The verb can be more than one word. The verb can be more than one word in a sentence. In a sentence. Right? What I have written? The verb can be more than one word in a sentence. As you have seen in second sentence. Boys are playing in the field. Are playing. Both are verb. Okay. Now let's read about the kind of verbs. So let me erase it. Now the types of verbs. Types of verbs. Main verb. Main verb, the action word. The action words are main verbs. Example, eat, sleep, go, come, run, etc. These are main verbs, these are action words, these are doing words. Okay, so these are main verbs. Now helping verb. Helping verbs. Is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, do, does, did. So these are helping verbs and these are main verbs. Now I think, children, it is clear now that what are verbs and what is main verb and what is helping verb. Right? So this chapter is not finished yet. I have to explain it more, but it will be continued in next video. Thank you.